Hello everyone and welcome to Harbourtown Unit 15 and 15A. I'm going to be showing you a piece of commercial property today. This is a two-story unit with two separate spaces. Unit 15 is on the bottom and 15A is on the top. We will go to 15A in the end. We are in Harbourtown, which is located at 913 Gulf Breeze Parkway, which is in the heart of Gulf Breeze proper. Harbourtown is a collection of shops, businesses, and restaurants. There are a lot of units here in Harbourtown, and as you can see, it has a lot of appeal to it. It's got really cute courtyard spaces, and we do have foot traffic throughout the location with all of the restaurants and shops. So unit 15 is on the bottom floor. It is occupied. It is currently a medical spa. So I'll take you in here first. It does have two private rooms in here, along with all of the open areas. So as you can see, this is kind of the lobby area. And this unit does have one bathroom in the back. It is currently being used as a salon, as you can see. So the first open area flows into this other open area here. So you have a doorway just through here. So that could be closed off if that is something that fits your needs better. You can see a little bit of the depth of the unit here. Coming into the first room that closes off, it's not fully closed off. You do have some space up there. Got a washing area here. So another open space, utilizing all the nooks and crannies. There is another private room in here. It is closed off due to privacy reasons, but another private room there. You do have access to the parking lot right through here. Harbourtown has a lot of parking. There are no assigned parking spaces, but you do have plenty of parking. And you can see the storefronts here from the outside as well. Very close to the mail area. And then here is what the unit looks like from the outside. So unit 15 on the bottom, unit 15A on the top. And then here is the full bathroom. All right, guys, we are now upstairs at Unit A on the second floor. For entry, you just come up these stairs right here, and you do enter to this covered space. And then this unit does have a nice view of the courtyard of Harbourtown, as well as all the mature landscaping and storefronts. Let's go inside and I'll show you the space. This unit was previously being used as an office building as well as a massage parlor. Harbourtown has a wide variety of different businesses, so there are plenty of options and potential here. So this could be used as a lobby area. It does have a door with so you have a partition. You do have a bright window and door really lighting up the space. Lots of light is coming in. Flooring and paint is completely cohesive throughout. Bright white doors and trim. Do have the fluorescent lighting overhead. This does have 4 enclosed spaces, 3 in this hallway and 1 at the end. And then you do have a bathroom with a toilet and a sink at the end of the hallway as well. This fourth and final space is the bigger of all of the spaces I just showed you. And then they do have these bright double windows. This does overlook the parking area of Harbourtown, but lots of beautiful trees and mature landscaping. And here is proximity to the mailbox. So this unit is very centrally located within Harbourtown. In the back of the unit, you do have a couple, or one window, more lighting. Got your HVAC closet there, and here is the full bathroom. So you have your commode, of course, single vanity, and your bathroom lighting there. All right, guys, like I said, this is the upstairs unit of unit 15. There are 2 units that are being sold together. It is one building, but this is the upstairs unit. Thanks so much for coming on this tour. And once again, this is 913 Gulf Breeze Parkway, unit 15.